Hello everyone, here's Josie from Russian Package. We are specialized in package designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a tall pulp tree. Look at here. It is made by wet press from bamboo pulp. In this shape, it's all made by our mold, and it doesn't need two extra coats to make. And look at the surface, it is very smooth. And on the one side, it is have some mesh texture. In addition, there is a groove to place the product, and it is have good holding effective on the product. As you see, the exterior is very hard. And our product has achieved their pollution, their image, and their addition in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused, including defective product can also be recycled to reassure the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. If you want to design a unique pulp tree package, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. Thank you for your watching. Bye!